Hey guys, what's going on? I am Hiroshi from WebStylePress.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, I share tutorials at this channel that can boost up your software engineering skills. So if you want to learn and grow in this area, join this channel by hitting subscribe button and hit bell icon. In this video guys, we are creating a custom dark theme switcher or custom dark theme toggler in ReactJS. We have created this already by using jQuery. Links are in the description. Here we are recreating it in ReactJS. The concept is same, logic is also same, but the data structure and flow is different here. Implementation is different here. So we are doing it in React this time. It's so simple in React. We will use React hooks, namely state hook and effect hook, to create this app. You will be able to toggle dark and light mode for your website or React app. This app will persist its state and it will persist its selected theme even when you reload the page or browse to another page. We will make use of CSS switching, React state and local storage. Let's start creating it. I have got this default ReactJS app. If you have installed a node in your computer and then if you use create react app and use this command npx create react app and app name, then it will give you a default ReactJS application like this. I am importing React from React and it has CSS linked to it, and it's a function component that is being exported as default app. I have got the CSS font is Open Sans. Here will be the class. And height of that app is 100 VH, and padding top, it has got padding. Here are body styles and button styles. I think we won't be using button in it. We will see. And I have got a SAS file here. If you install this package node-sas, then you can use SAS in your React projects. You can use yarn add node-sas and this package will be installed, and then you can use SAS file in your React app. And in my SAS file I've got light theme and dark theme, background color for light theme and color for light theme, and for dark theme background color and light color, and for content. And this is CSS reset, and HTML height is 100%, and here are body styles, and background color is set to light, that is white, and color is set to color theme light, it's black. So we will have some HTML for this app, and that will be like this. So this is our content right now. light dark mode, custom dark theme, toggler in React. And I will write a little bit sass right now to just fill up some styles for that. So we have got this structure here. So we have got this text and we have got this component, and here's our content box, and this is the theme switcher wrap, and inside it I've got a label, and I have got another thing that is switch path and switch handle. That is our switch, basically that will switch the theme for the app. And then I've got the simple text, and for content box I have these styles, and we have to import this sass file here. So let's import it. switcher.scss, and here now we can see some styling here. Okay, so content box, this is our content box, and it has got margin, background color, and the color, border radius, padding, and max width. And inside that headings, and headings has got some style. And then we will have theme switcher. So theme switch wrap, just width and text, right? Theme switcher wrap. So this is the theme switcher. This is the theme switcher wrap. It has got a text line, right? Inside it there's a theme switcher label. This is the theme switcher label, and it is a display line block, cursor pointer, and this is switch path and switch handle. So switch path is this background for this switcher, and then switch handle is this circle. It has got background, width, height, border radius, and transition. And the switch path is just, it has got width and height and border radius and background color and transition. Simple. What I want to achieve is I want to click at this, and this is not a checkbox, this is not an input, this is not anything. This is just kind of a fake switcher. We will just switch classes for the body and for this switcher, and we will also store some value, currently selected theme value in the local storage, and then we will call the local storage, and we will use that. If there will be a value, theme value, dark theme value in the local storage, then we will apply some classes. In this case we will not apply classes to body, because we have got this right here in our app. We have got no body here. We can apply classes to body, but I'm not applying classes to body. In fact, I will use this element, main element for our app. And then there is active state for this. Like if I switch class active for this label, then this changes. So add this label. So this is our label. Before it ends, I have used this thing, and this is its active state. And if it is active, then inside it two classes will be affected, these switch path and switch handle that we have discussed here. All right, and we are just translating this. When this is active, label is active, then a switch handle is translating to x 20 pixels. And we have got our dark theme CSS. So this is dark theme. So we have got a class app here. App. If I add a class theme dash dark for this, what will happen? Well, nothing happens because I have not saved this file. Okay, so now it changes. So app, I need to switch the class theme dark in the app, and then for this label I need to switch the class active to achieve it to become darker theme. And that is all defined in our CSS already. I have to just switch the classes. So our dark theme has, it says that if app has got the div app, the div with the class app has got the class name theme dash dark, then the app's background color will be dark, bg theme dark. That is the bg theme dark color, and the color for text will be white. And also inside it, content box will be changed a little bit. Its background will be changed, and the headings and paragraphs styles color will be changed. So that's it for CSS and HTML, and we have to apply logic now. Also, this is a little bit weird looking. Let's give it a class title, and I am using here the title. Font size, let's make it 20 pixel to make this text bigger. I have not saved it again. Okay, so now this is all right. Now this is all right. Okay, so now let's move to the logic. So I will be clicking at this label, right? And so this is our label. It needs an event handler. So our event handler will be on click and handle label click. just that, and we have to define it here inside the app const and label click, and we will use arrow function to bind it. So here will be our logic. So we will also need hooks, use state and use effect. And this is our state. Our state will hold is dark, set is dark, is equal to use state, and from the start it will be false. So we have got two things here. This is the value is dark and it's boolean value, and this set is dark will set its value. If we want to set its value, we can use that by using this second variable. And then here will be the effect or side effects. Use effect, and whenever you use effect, guys, always use this. Don't forget to use this. Otherwise, if you call something here, it can go in a loop, infinite loop. Here we define, or here we use some variables or triggers that can trigger this use effect area, and the component can be reloaded based on that. So remember to use this. Even if it is empty, use this. So here we will check the local storage. So why are we checking local storage? So the app or component loads, all right. So at component load, we are checking the storage, local storage, and looking if there is a variable stored for the theme, for dark theme, right? So we will define a const here, current theme color, and then we will check the local storage. Local storage dot get item, and our item stored in the local storage will be the item with a key color, theme color. And if it is stored there, if it exists, then we will set this thing. True. But we need additional check. If the variable stored in our local storage is dark theme related, we will check it here. If current theme color is equal to theme dark, this will be our value. Our values will be the theme dash dark or theme dash light. So if local storage has got value theme dark, then set is dark true. Then we will store true here for this is dark. In else we will set is dark to false. So when component will mount, component will be available, it will check the local storage. So if it will find that the local storage has got a key with a value theme dark, and the key name will be the theme color, if it will have a value of theme dash dark, then set is dark to true, otherwise set dark to false, and that value will be stored in this is dark. So now is dark contains some information that we can use. So we will use this now, and here will be the our logic. So I will click at it, user will click at it, and this function will be triggered. Here will be the our logic, and here we will check if dark, if it exists, if its value is true. If is dark, then local storage, then I want to change the local storage dot set item. This time it will be set item color, theme color, and the item will be the theme light. In other case, local storage will store a value of theme dark, and also here, because the theme is light now, I will set the is dark to false, and here in else case I will set the is dark to true, because the value was theme dark in this case. So I will click at it and will monitor the local storage. I'll go to application and then in here, and right now it's got theme dark and theme light, theme dark, theme light. And I also have got here component, and see this state, and this I have got the state here, and it's becoming false and true. If it has got theme light, then it is false, and if it has got theme dark, then it will be the true. So we are checking whether the value is theme dark or not, basically. So this switching is working. Now we have to take care of classes. So one class we need here based on that above check. If is dark is true, if this exists, then we need more classes here, and according to our switcher CSS, we need theme dash dark class here with app here. But if this variable will be true, then if this state will be true, then alright, here we need a check. So how that check will be applied. Class name, here we enter class name, this is the expression, and this will be our check, and app, and then there will be variable is dark. This is the check. App class will be there, and then this is the check via ternary operator. If is dark is present means it's true. Then here will be the a class named as theme dark, or else it will be nothing here. Is dark is not defined. Is dark is this one, is there is a typo. Is dark. So we had got theme dark stored in here, and so the theme dash dark was applied here. So in our CSS we have got if theme dash dark is applied with app, then we have got these changes to be implemented in our page. So that switching is working. And then next we have to take care about this label. Here the class will also switch, and we will just copy this expression from here, and the label, this is the label here. Here we have to just add a class active. So this is the expression, so this will be here, and then if is dark is true, then we just need an active class here, and in other case we don't want anything here. So now I will cut this expression and paste it instead of this class for our label. And now our label is also working. So the class is default class is this here app, and this is the check. If is dark is true, then apply the theme dash dark class, or otherwise in other case nothing. And similarly here theme switcher label class is here, and if is dark our this state is true, then use active class here, or in other case no class or nothing at all. So I will recap it. First of all, when component loads, it checks the local storage, and it checks the key theme color in the local storage. If it has got the value of theme dark, then it changes our state to true. In other case, it changes our state to false. And then our handle click, we have used this label for event handler, and then here is our function that is triggered, and it checks if is dark is true, and that means that if state has got value of dark theme, then local storage then item in local storage should be set to theme light. It is just reversing that process. If the dark theme is being applied, then change the local storage to light theme dash light. In other case, and also set the state to opposite value. And then in other case, set the local storage value to theme dark, and again reverse the state. So here are our two checks, and our app is working now, and this is the local storage, and here is the theme dark, and if I change it, the value gets changed. This is our theme color key, this is value, theme light, and here is theme dark and theme light. And inside our elements, if I see this is the label. Clicking it will trigger change in the classes. The class active is being added, and here theme dark is being applied. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you think that we missed anything, or you have something to add, you can comment down below, ask questions related to this topic. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media, links are in the description below. Similar tutorial in different front-end technology have been also posted earlier, and I will also post links for those tutorials in the description, so check those out as well. And stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.